Hello everyone, I am Surendra Jain, Master Teacher in Vedantu. We are discussing paper of KVPY 2020 of essay stream. This is question number 3 from the topic number systems. It says, suppose P, Q, R are positive rational numbers such that root P plus root Q plus root R is also rational. Then root P, root Q, root R are irrational. B part, root PQ, root PR, root QR are rational, but root P, root Q, root R are irrational. C, root P, root Q, root R are rational. D, root PQ, root PR, root QR are irrational. Okay, now to solve this question, one very simple thing we need to do. First, let us assume this root P plus root Q plus root R is equal to some rational number, let us say Q. Okay, now because root P, root Q, root R has to be positive quantities, so their sum Q should also be positive number only. Now I am putting two numbers, let us say root P and root Q on the left hand side, and I am bringing this root R on the other side. Now if we square both sides, okay, then we will get P plus Q plus 2 times root PQ on the left hand side, and right hand side it will be Q square plus R minus 2Q root R. Now listen carefully. If I assume my root R and root PQ are not rational, okay, if root R and root PQ are irrational, okay, then on both sides we should compare rational numbers with rational number and irrational numbers with irrational number. So in that case, this 2 root PQ should become equal to minus 2Q into root R. But you can observe this left hand side is positive and right hand side is negative. This is not possible. Okay, now maybe we could have taken that only my root PQ is irrational. Okay, and root R is rational. In that case, you can see we will be comparing this root PQ thing with 0 only, because on the right hand side everything has become rational. So in this case root PQ will become equal to 0, but that is not possible because PQR all are positive rational numbers only. Now similar to this we can prove that other assumption, that root PQ being rational and root R being irrational is also not possible, which means we can say that root PQ as well as root R, they both should be rational numbers. Okay, now as I have done this by taking only root R on the right hand side, I can do it for root P also, root Q also. So I can say that similar to this thing, or similarly we can say directly, this root P, root Q and root R, they all three are rational numbers. Okay, in fact if root P, root Q, root R are rational, then all these numbers root PQ, root QR and root PR, they will also become rational only, because they are just the product of two rational numbers which has to be rational number only. So the answer for this should be A should be wrong because it says they are irrational number. B is also wrong because it is again saying this is irrational number. C seems to be correct. D is again wrong. So answer for this question should be C. Okay, so this completes the solution for this question. I hope you like this solution. Thank you so much. Stay tuned for more solutions. Bye.